We are in North Carolina today at Gorges State Park, and it's a bit of a misty, rainy day. The tail end of winter, spring is right around the corner, but we're eager to get all up in the Gorges State Park. There's some waterfalls that you can see, although I don't know that we'll be able to see Rainbow Falls, which is the real big one that has a viewpoint. And at the end of this trail, about 1.5 miles, is Turtleback Falls. And it looks like there's some sliding potential at Turtleback Falls. I can tell you're a serious mountain trekker with those poles there.
Just in case, it's muddy.
It is muddy.
Slippery.
You never know. Whatever we're in for, Sam's prepared, because she's got, not only does she have her hiking poles, she's also got the wetsuit on and the mask. Plan on doing some of that scuba diving that North Carolina rivers are known for?
Yes. Treasure hunting.
Well, I think we're gonna find some beautiful natural treasures today. At the very least, Turtleback Falls is gonna be a beautiful waterfall. And then if we can slide it, double bonus. Rainbow Falls is creating its own mist. Woo! It looks like you can go down, but real muddy and slippery, so probably not gonna do that today. I just slipped right here. Get your feet on the rock. There you go. Wow, off to a great start here in North Carolina. Turtleback Falls, epic slide. It's gonna be hard to top that, but you know what? We're just getting warmed up here in North Carolina. And wow, we got a ton of great stuff on tap. So stay tuned, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And Sam, anything to say? Thoughts on Turtleback Falls?
You know how to stick the camera in my face when I'm not ready.
Any thoughts on Turtleback Falls, honey?
If you're middle-aged and you really want to be a waterfall slider, then Turtleback Falls is for you.
Not just for middle-aged folks, also
Elderly, children.
Be careful, it's real slippery at the top, and it gets crowded in summer, but you can always avoid the crowds like we are and come in wintertime.
Had it to ourselves. Nobody else here.
Beat the crowds, come check it out in winter. Gorges State Park, absolutely beautiful. Plenty more coming from North Carolina, some epic stuff lined up. But in the meantime, get out there, find your adventure, and be infamous.
Infamous.